Okay, so this is the first time ever I'm using my airbrush. So don't expect it all. Be gentle with me. I am definitely no Christina Welch, because I'm just starting out. And if you hear the buzzing of the compressor, I apologize, but you can see all that color under there? That's great. I love that. I'm actually doing this left-handed, and I'm not a lefty. So let me try right-handed. I know it's supposed to look wispy, but again, I need to learn how to use this, so I'm just kind of playing, if you will. I think you gotta just move your hand with it, and then that creates the color. Because this is not a very strong one. Now I'm going to actually put it down into the middle here. Again, just playing kind of. Loving this purple coming up in here though and there. Love it. I don't know if you can see that. I will show it to you afterwards. I could see there's purple underneath, so I kind of wanted to make sure you saw that in the painting, because it is very cool metallic. That I really like that flash, that violet. I think they call it violet blue hue. It's really nice. Actually, it's underneath a lot of this. Yeah. Let me start over here. Oh, you know what? I see a hair. Get that hair out. That would be for my Bentley boy. He's our only dog that sheds. I watched my live from a replay from last night because I had to answer some questions for people and I couldn't read it all. And I noticed most of the time I was doing live, my little dog Gigi was sitting in the lower right-hand corner of the video. She likes to come wherever I'm at. She follows me. She's my shadow. So yeah, so this is basically, I mean, now I need to practice to get the wispiness like Christina Welch can, but this can be learned. It's all just how you aim it and move your arm. And I wish it had a little more pressure to it. This is the $50 airbrush off Amazon, which is the one I think most people have. I do wish it did have a little more power behind it. So I'm just going to go in here and see if I can see. We got some purple down in here, kind of mixed with the white, so I'm just going to blow that out here. It doesn't look muddy, so that's good. That one actually looks kind of cool from the angle you're looking at it. This way. Kind of digging it. So I'm going to try and do the same thing for this one. Although this, I think, has blue or gray underneath, yeah. Doesn't have the purple. I think I'm going to end up needing to get a stronger motor because I like power. I'd like this to do a little more than it's doing, or maybe my paint is just too thick. Could be too. I kind of like it. It looks like waves from this way smashing. Just going to go over here because I see some gray or blue here, and if we're going to have smashing waves, we need them to smash. Smash all the way. And also how close you get to your paint will also help you with the issue of power. Sorry, I know that going on and off is not exactly great. It's a little annoying, but let's see. Oh, there's some of that blue. I knew there was blue under there. I wonder if I can make like waves here. Yes. Look at that. Like it. Like it, like it, like it. Definitely take you down to show you these then when this is over and I'm done recording and playing, because I will be putting this in my bun rack. I pretty much put everything in there now to dry, especially if it's thicker. I don't want cracks. Oh, that purple in here. There's so many different ways to hold this with the little button being up here. Wow, these both look like if you were literally in the water and a wave came up over you. That's how I would describe this. Even the purple looks so cool. Well, here's another Bentley hair. See, it's good to be able to stand here and look over your painting. So now that I have this webcam, it's pretty much stationary no matter where I put it. All right, let me blow, let me torch this and look for some more hairs. We have Daisy and Gigi, our girls, are purebred, so they do not, purebred Bichons, they do not shed, which is why we got them, because we're both allergic to various kinds of dogs. But we rescued Bentley. He's our bigger dog, and he's part terrier, and he does shed. So whenever I find a hair, I tell him to stop it. And of course he just looks at me like, "What, Mom? I didn't do anything." So yeah, these are pretty cool. I'm gonna try to bring this up without making a hot mess. Let me show you that one. Sorry about the lighting. Still working on it, even with those new lights. Those are new lights. But I really like that. Set that back down a minute. And then this one, I'm going to pick up, let's see if I can turn them to show you. I'll fix the corners. But I kind of like that. It looks splashy up there, doesn't it? Yay or nay? Let me know what your thoughts are in the comments. I might play with it a little more after I stop this video. But if you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel. Click the bell so you can be notified of my next uploads, which I try to do several times a week. And have a great day, and just make sure you go out there and art. Have some fun. See y'all.